We've committed to ensuring that we phase out the need for petrol and diesel cars in Scotland by 2032. That's going to have a big implication for the energy system in Scotland as well as the transport system. Transport accounts for about a quarter of the energy that we use in Scotland, more or less the same as what we use for electricity today.
It's primarily a public health issue, so the priority at first is to reduce diesel particulates, etc., etc. As we promote that switch to ultra-low emission vehicles, and in particular as we promote that switch to electric vehicles, there's a real opportunity to improve air quality in Scotland. And we're also really aware that it's often the lowest income households who suffer disproportionately from poor air quality. If we can roll out electric vehicles and really increase uptake, air quality should improve and it should benefit those who really need it the most.
Most electric cars out on the market at the moment, there are second, sometimes third generations of electric car models, and so by this point in time they're actually quite reliable. Most of the early issues that we've seen with batteries and charging have been ironed out at this point. There is no reason why battery electric vehicles won't be the most reliable vehicles on the roads. Most consumers who try one really like them.
I think importantly what we need to do is give increased confidence and certainty to the networks and their regulator and to the market that this is something that is going to happen in Scotland. We want to see Scotland at the forefront of the EV revolution, and we are doing everything we can to make sure that that is the case.
To achieve those kind of 2032 targets, we'll have to work in partnership with other public sector bodies, with motor manufacturers, with the motor trade, with their colleagues in the energy sector. All of us will have to work together to make sure that this happens. And to be honest, we are working together. We're already all talking to each other about how we can do this. So we're confident we can hit that target by 2032.